Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 2.4, He, She. As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then, you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Listen. Cashier. Driver. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beat. She is a cashier. What is she? She's a cashier. Is she a cashier? Yes, she is. Is she a cashier? No, she's not. He is a driver. What is he? He's a driver. Is he a driver? Yes, he is. Is he a driver? No, he's not. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the pictures. Finish the sentences. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. Is she a cashier? Yes, she is. What is he? He's a driver. What is she? She's a cashier. Is he a driver? No, he's not. Is she a cashier? No, she's not. Is he a driver? Yes, He is. Now it's your turn to speak again. Look at the pictures. Say the answers. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. She is a cashier. What is she? She's a cashier. Is she a cashier? Yes, she is. Is she a cashier? No, she's not. He is a driver. What is he? He's a driver. Is he a driver? Yes, he is. Is he a driver? No, he's not. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.